Hey there, good morning YouTube. Today we'll be unboxing the new Portronics wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's mini in size and it comes with built-in FM, Bluetooth, USB and aux-in. The battery capacity of the speaker is 1800 mAh and it longs for about 4 to 5 hours. I've been testing the speaker from the last 3 or 4 days. It's the legendary level for the JBL Go, and I think it's much more louder than JBL Go. So let's quickly unbox this box. So yes, that's it in the box, nothing else. So in the box we get a bill from Amazon, a user manual of this Bluetooth speaker, how can we connect, and we get this certificate of ownership and warranty card. It can be extendable up to 2 months more. As you can see here, it's written over here that the warranty is to redeem extra warranty for 2 months. Like already we get 1 year of warranty. 1 year of warranty we already get, and we get also an extra warranty of 2 months more. And this is how the box looks like. Here is the cool specifications of the box: the wireless version, the output, the voltage, aux-in and other things like this. Here sound drum written. Here are all the function of the speaker, like wireless, 3.5 mm jack, radio, FM, USB mode, built-in mic, and this everything. It lasts longs for around 5 to 6 hours, and even this speaker has a built-in radio FM. So if anyone is likely addicted to the FM, can listen to FM too. And it costed me around 1900 rupees, as already told. Even the Portronics, this mini Bluetooth speaker, serves the better quality like JBL Go. It has a good type of bass amount, as it's written powerful and clear voice on the box here. And this is also a good type of speaker. We can listen it. It's splash proof, not waterproof. It's splash proof, and it does have a good decent amount of volume that's much more louder. So you can buy this speaker. It's in budget too, and it has these all functions like 3.5 mm jack, USB, wireless, radio, FM, built-in mic. Here are the ports of the speaker itself. It comes with the cap of waterproof, as the water does not go inside this speaker. And here is the USB cable. Here is the LED notification. As you can see, here is the aux and here is the charging port here. It has the same Android charger, as you can go see. And here are the button. It's the on off button, volume up, volume track change, play pause, volume down or track change. So the conclusion of the video is, it's a good handy mini portable speaker you can buy. It comes with every feature that should come in this budget speaker. Then you should go for the Portronics sound drum. I think it's the value for money speaker. And that's it guys, hope you like the video. Thank you and have a nice day.